All right, I'm at Walmart first thing in the morning to get the ingredients for slow cooked oxtails. Today we're making oxtails, slow cooked oxtails. So I got several pounds of oxtails here. I got beef broth, I got yellow onions, I got garlic, I got red cooking wine, I got oregano leaves, olive oil, tomato paste, and bay leaf. So the process for this is fairly easy. I just take the oxtails, I'm gonna braise them in the pan on all sides till they're a little brown on all sides, with some olive oil and some garlic pepper. And just get them nice and browned. Then I'm gonna throw them in here. I'm gonna add the beef broth, chopped onion, diced garlic, and some tomato paste, and oregano leaf, and the cooking wine, and the bay leaves. Can't remember exactly which ones I'm adding when. Some of this I think goes in the pan with the when I braise the oxtails. But these are all the ingredients. I'll actually put the recipe in the comments or in the notes, so everybody can see how I made these. But once we get that all done, we're gonna put it all in the slow cooker, and we're gonna slow cook it for 8 hours. I think on medium heat for 8 hours. So they're gonna be nice and tender. And then we're gonna go get some rice, and we're gonna serve this over top of rice. And that's gonna be the meal for the day, or maybe for the next couple of days. I forgot to get the rice, so we'll have to go back and get that, but that's it. Oxtails for dinner. All right, so the oxtails smell delicious, and I'm about to reveal them. I'm gonna should have run another video, but they're ready to go. The whole place smells delicious. We're gonna make some basmati rice. We like the long grain basmati rice to go with it. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. It's gonna serve it over basmati rice, and that'll be our meal for today, probably the next 2 days, or at least lunch for the next several days, because that's a lot. That's it. Let's check it out and see if I knew what I was doing.